Alright, this is the before and this is the after. As you can tell in the old one, the end piece just broke off, and it was actually like this when I bought the bike. I bought it used, but the dealership was able to give me a replacement for free. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the clutch lever on the Honda Rebel. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is unscrew the nut and bolt on this side. You just need the 10mm socket or wrench, and then the flathead screwdriver to hold it in place. And then once you got that part out, before you remove the lever, there's actually a cable, and that cable is for the clutch. So you're gonna have to unscrew this bit, and then you'll be able to pull it out. And now we've got the comparison of the before and after. To install it, you put the cable back into that slot at the bottom, and then you're going to slide the lever back into its place. And then you're going to put the bolt back in, and then tighten everything once again. And if you ever wanted to replace or install the lever on the brake side, it's much easier than this because there is no cable, so all you have to do is loosen the nut and bolt and just replace the lever. But yeah, once you've tightened everything, then you're good to go. It should only take you about 10 or 20 minutes, and it's super easy to do. Let me know if this was helpful for you guys, and thanks so much for watching.